Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the language on your CapCut PC application. So if you go to menu here and you go back to the settings tab here, there's going to be a language tab and you're going to select the language that you want the application to be in. So I'm just going to choose, for instance, Bahasa Indonesia, and I'm going to select save, restart CapCut, and it's going to bring you to a page here. You're then going to see that it has, like, the language has been changed. If you want to change it back again, just go to settings here and then go to language and select the chosen language and select save, and then you have to restart it again. That is basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!